Hello and welcome to your calf fascial freedom tutorial. Now we're going to be using our fascial freedom ball, or you can be using your PVC piping. Again, if you have a foam roller or even a ball, for example, a basketball or football, a netball, something like that, you can use that also. We're going to be starting with the ball directly in the belly of the calf. Now, everyone's going to have some different restrictions depending on how they're moving biomechanically. You're going to find you're going to get some very different adhesions in different spots. As always, we find this tender spot first of all, so that little bit of self-discovery. Once you find it, just allow the weight of the leg to sit on top of the ball. You may need a little bit of extra weight, and what you could do is you could put your other leg on top so you can cross legs over, and just the weight of that leg is going to add a little bit more to it. So a minute or two first of all, just calming, allowing that to sink and melt a little bit. Then from there, those small little movements. So you can either keep the leg on top or you can take it off and just work on the focused areas. And it can be everything from a little bit of foot dorsiflexion and plantar flexion, as well as the up and down movements too. So you're just going to gently bend the knee a little bit or just move around just to create that extra tiny precise movements, as well as internal and external moving of the leg too. So take your time with it, very slow, very simple, and again, work through the different sections. So explore, take your time with it. The more you can do with all of this, the better. It's going to be fantastic. So get to work on that one. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video tutorial.